Do you want to speak fast English and you want to, sound like a native? Then definitely this video is for you. From this video, you're going to start learning from basic to the, advanced one. So how exactly you have to start speaking fast and what are some rules and you have to follow them. I'm gonna tell you all these things. If you watch this video till the end, you're going to get motivated and start doing it right away. First important thing, you have to ask yourself whether you want to speak fast or not. And is it important or not? Remember, speaking fast has two different things, two different sides. First, you want to speak it, right? Second, it will help you to understand. Suppose you're learning fast English. So you're learning to understand it. If you're just learning to understand the fast English, then it will be pretty easy for you to understand movies. Whenever you watch Netflix, Amazon, HBO, whatever, movies you're watching in English language, you'll pretty much understand easily without any doubt. This is one of the big advantages of using or understanding fast English. Another thing, whenever you are going to start speaking, definitely it's a plus. Understanding and speaking this is like a habit. So this is simple benefit that I shared with you is combined one. And whether you are not interested in speaking fast, understanding fast English is great, as I already have given some example. Whether you want to travel to another country in future, you're able to understand when they are reducing. And you want to watch movies, definitely you watch a lot of movies nowadays. If you're learning English or watching my videos, so you're English learner. English learners always watch some kind of content in English. So this is great advantage for you. Another thing, let's try to take you some parts of fast English and what is fast English and how it can be done. Interesting and most crucial point is English reduction. What is English reduction and why it's a part of the fast English? English reduction is something that make a large sentence shorter and make it more, look faster. It's difficult to understand even so many English for English learners. For example, what are you doing? What you doing? Let's see. What are you doing? What you doing, right? Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going to eat tonight. I'm gonna eat tonight. I'm not sure if you're understanding. Definitely you're understanding because pretty simple phrases. There are so many advanced phrases they are reducing. Like these are commonly spoken if you watch movies or you have seen YouTube videos from people or they are making vlogs. American people traveling different countries, they are coding vlogs. They use different language like this. All right. Let's begin to understand English reduction. I already have given an example. This is the biggest part of fast English. First, start reducing some kind of most common use that you use a lot. For example, going to and want to. So going to like gonna. And it's depend on accent, British and American, gonna. And wanna, right? So want to. Remember, whenever you're talking about third person singular, like she, he, it, you cannot say she wanna. That can be wrong, definitely, right? Wanna means want to, and third person singular, we can say wants to. You have to put S. That's the biggest mistake I think you will be making if you don't understand these simple points. If you're talking about I gonna go is wrong because you cannot use gonna with just I. You have to put am. I'm gonna go, they're gonna go, we're gonna go. So we have to put this to be. Am is are. Simple thing, I'm sure you understand. Another next thing is try using contraction. Instead of saying do not, give me, did not, say didn't, don't, doesn't, give me instead of give me, let me. These are kind of contraction and reduction to that I have mentioned. For example, give me is more reduction, give me. Tell them, Tell him. So that's a reduction. So there's a bit differences between contraction and reduction. When you're going to use contraction, you're putting more like apostrophe don't, right? Do not, as I given you example. It's raining today. That's all. It's a simple part of the grammar, and you have to start using, for example, kind of, kinda, sort of, sorta, sorta. I don't know, don't know, I don't know. Could have, should have, should have, would have, would have. Oh, you should have told me. If I say in simple, I would say, I should have told you. Should have told me. I made it more like reduced it. So this is all you are going to use in that way to start speaking fast English right away. Next video, we are going to step by step make a chart and try to follow from the beginning, right? This is an introduction, and I already told you some points and how it should be done and why speaking fast is important for you. Really crucial points and parts of it. We already discussed few of them. I'm not sure if you're interested anymore. If you're interested in fast English from watching this video, then definitely write below, comment below, talk something, say something that you're really interested, and then I'm gonna create the whole list for you or not, whether I have to invest my time and create a really nice playlist for you or not. Let me know. I really appreciate your comments, and thank you so much for watching our today's video. Love you guys. Thanks.